Hey guys, many players learned that Niantic was officially announcing on their website that they were beginning the 500,000 bans of Pokemon Go cheaters. Rooted or jailbroken devices are at a higher risk of suspension. Tweaked game apps like iSpoofer, Pokemon Go++ are no longer stable or safe. Apple just pushed the iOS 13 public release worldwide. For iOS 13 users, what's the safest and easiest way to hack GPS locations on Pokemon Go? There are many spamming tutorials, guides, websites, and apps on YouTube and Google. Is there any legit way, though, to spoof the GPS location for any iOS device on the latest iOS 13 system? With the portable device and companion iOS app we developed, the answer is yes. It's such an ingenious solution. You don't even need to jailbreak, access a computer, or install injected apps at any time during use. I'd love to share with you multiple iTeleporter GPS spoofers, the world's #1 safest and easiest to use hardware solution. Since iTeleporter Pro is a certified system-level GPS spoofer, you will only draw the attention of the developers if you do something silly, such as teleport a very long distance in an impossibly short time. We continue to update the hardware and the companion app. Today, it supports from iOS 9 to the latest iOS 13 system. Once you get your iTeleporter device, you're only 2 steps away from spoofing your GPS location on any iOS 9 through 13 device. Step 1. Plug in the iTeleporter Lightning series or connect with the iTeleporter Wireless Bluetooth series. Step 2. Open our companion GPS modifier app. The magic happens. If you want to teleport to any place to catch a rare Pokemon, fight a gym, or join a raid, you can move the red pin to anywhere on the Earth, press the lock position button, and in a split second you can see the breezing blue circle representing your location on the entire iOS system teleport instantly. The GPS location applies to all of your iPhone apps. Let's check Google Maps. Currently, we are in San Francisco. But how about we go to Los Angeles for some fun? It works. How about we tell our family that we're in New York City? They can verify from the iOS Find Friends app. It works. We can zoom in to teleport to an exact location like your office. As long as you do not pull the device out, the GPS location will stay locked into wherever you choose. As long as you follow our guide of teleport cooldown time and never teleport while the game app is open, you'll be at minimum risk of being detected by the developer. We have also developed an advanced module to mock the movement of walking, biking, or driving with automatic routes from Google Maps. For example, if you want to imitate the car driving from your office to home or other places, you can first lock your position to a starting place and then add pin nodes. After pressing the go button, you could customize options for your route. Once you tap on the start, you can see your device is moving along the route. You could double check it on Google Maps. To help you better enjoy the games, our app also has the advanced features of motion control and a virtual joystick. You can get comfortable and then press reset position. Select your moving speed from slow to fast. Later in the game, you can move your character by tilting your iPhone.
Ouch, but you don't let go.
If you want to pause or rerun the motion control, you can do it by simply turning your iPhone over without switching apps. To use the virtual joystick, you will need to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot, and then log on the IP address with another phone or computer on the same Wi-Fi to move your location precisely. Besides GPS location-based games, what else can we do from GPS spoofing? You know, we all need to fake the location on our cell phones for specific situations from time to time. Sometimes we need to tell our family and friends via GPS tracker apps that we are currently at home, at work, or school. Some people find spoof locations on ride-sharing apps like Uber, Lyft, or Grab super helpful. We've developed iTeleporter devices into 2 series, wired Lightning port series and wireless Bluetooth series. For the Lightning series, we have 4 different models to meet your various needs. iTeleporter Mini is an ultra-portable dongle solely for the GPS spoofing purpose on iOS devices. Plug it in the Lightning port and use our companion app to fake GPS locations. iTeleporter Mini V2 is an upgraded version of the original Mini. It's in the same shape and size, but it has a lightning port on the back end. You can recharge your iPhone or iPad battery when you plug in a lightning cable. iTeleporter Metal is the same 2-in-1 GPS spoofing and charging dongle like the Mini V2, but the case is made of rotating, heavy-duty protective metal. iTeleporter Pro is a 3-in-1 multifunctional dongle. It looks and works like a standard Apple Lightning splitter. You could connect with 3.5mm headphones, charge your iPhone, and spoof GPS location at the same time. If you would like a wireless solution, you could choose the iTeleporter BT. You could simply carry this tiny USB dongle with you anywhere you go and plug it into any USB port like your computer or portable charger. Once you connect it with your iOS device via Bluetooth, it works the same way as the wired Lightning series. Our iTeleporter uses the one and only official Apple certified Lightning connector. It makes our products the only authentic and reliable GPS spoofing solution available in the market. Every piece of the device is handmade in our lab to make it last, and we work hard to provide users free app updates with every changing OS update. Get it today and start taking control of your location. For more details and updates, visit www.iteleporter.tech. Happy teleporting!